Okay guys, so to celebrate my latest track on Pure Trance Neon called Forward Charge, I just wanted to show you a little bit of the production process, and what I've decided to show you is just this little effect that I've got going on the main lead. So I've got this main lead here. And what I've got on here is I've got Crystallizer by Sound Toys. And basically what I'm doing is I'm ramping up the mix amount to sort of build tension in the background. So if you listen to it earlier on here, you can't really hear it, but as it builds, you start to hear these like glistening little sounds on top of it. And again, over here, I really ramp it up. So it just added a nice little bit of tension to that breakdown. And then I do the same thing again in the outro here. I'll let you hear it in context now as well. So just a slightly different technique, something different that I wanted to do with this production. You could obviously do this on any sort of sound that you want, but obviously with having this, I'll let you actually listen to it all in context as well. Just listen to this part here. So because obviously the main lead is quite repetitive, I decided to introduce this just to sort of give it a little bit more sort of interest and build that tension. So if you haven't yet checked out the latest track, Forward Charge, be sure to head over and grab your copy from Pure Trance Neon. Thanks a lot for the support, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do share if you've enjoyed it, and write me a little comment below on your thoughts. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers. Bye. We'll be right back.